Let me paint you a picture. Imagine coming home every day to spotless floors without ever lifting a finger. That's the reality the Roborock S8 Sonic promises to deliver. After putting this sleek cleaning companion through its paces in my own home for several weeks, I'm ready to share why this might just be the last vacuum you'll ever need to purchase. What truly sets the Roborock S8 Sonic apart is its perfect balance of brawn and brains. With an impressive 6000 Pascal of suction power, it doesn't just skim the surface, it digs deep in the carpet fibers to pull out dirt you didn't even know was there. Yet despite this raw power, it maintains a remarkably quiet 69 decibel operation, about as loud as a normal conversation. The substantial 5200 mAh battery keeps it running for a full 180 minutes, enough to cover most homes in a single charge. What really impressed me was how it intelligently manages its power. When it sensed the battery getting low during a large cleaning job, it automatically returns to its dock to recharge before picking up right where it left off. The magic happens through its advanced LiDAR mapping system, which creates an incredibly accurate blueprint of your home. Unlike cheaper models that bump around randomly, the S8 Sonic moves with purpose, methodically cleaning every square foot while remembering furniture placement and obstacles. The generous 400ml dustbin works in perfect harmony with the 300ml water tank, allowing it to vacuum and mop simultaneously without missing a beat. Through its intuitive app, you can set no-go zones, schedule cleanings, or even direct it to specific rooms, all from your smartphone, whether you are at home or away. During my testing, three aspects stood up remarkably. First, the auto recharging capability means it can handle even the largest homes by breaking the jobs into manageable sessions. Second, the mopping system actually lifts stains rather than just spreading them around like many competitors do. Third, the Wi-Fi connectivity provides such seamless control that I often found myself starting a cleaning cycle from the office, so I'll return to spotless floors. It's these thoughtful details that transforms the S8 Sonic from a gadget into a genuine household helper. This robot vacuum shines brightest for those who value their time and sanity. Busy professionals will appreciate coming home to clean floors without lifting a finger. Pet owners will love how it keeps up with constant forward-tracking dirt. Tech enthusiasts will geek out over the precise app controls and smart home integration. And anyone tired of traditional vacuuming will find its set it and forget it operation utterly liberating. After comparing it side by side with models costing significantly more, I can confidently say Roborock S8 Sonic delivers exceptional value. Its combination of powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and whisper quiet operation creates a cleaning experience that feels like almost futuristic. While no product is perfect, this comes remarkably close to being the ideal automated cleaning solution for most homes. I'm curious, what's your biggest pain point with keeping floors clean? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, consider subscribing for more honest tech evaluations. For those wondering how this compares to premium models like the Roborock S8 Ultra, then let me know. That might be perfect for our next deep dive. Until then, may your floors stay clean and your free time abundant. For now, that's enough for talking, and let's continue with unboxing. Look, this bag is very heavy. This thing has an app, but I will tell you more detail in my reels, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram.